Ah, the French Riviera, La Côte d'Azur. You know the names. Nice, Monaco, Cannes. Those words conjure up images in our minds of the world's rich and famous coming to play and relax in the sun. Today we'll roam these seductive streets, visit a thriving farmer's market, and walk along the dazzling waterfront promenade. The French Riviera exudes sophistication, glamour, and elegance. Luxury yachts dot the harbor, while chic boutiques line the streets. We can enjoy all this seaside tranquility while pretending that maybe, just maybe, this is where we belong. At least in our heads.
Let travel surprise you. Let moments excite you. Let me try to guide you along the way. There's a world out there waiting. Sights that need gazing. Food that needs tasting. And laughs in between. Oh, wherever I go, whatever I see, all that I know is you're coming with me. You'll forget it. You know the best is yet to come. Be it land or sea, trust Tyler Travels TV.
Good morning, Gigi. It's a little chillier this morning than it has been, but we're heading out over there. I don't know if you can see it. To Cannes, France, and then we're doing highlights of Nice tour today. You ready to go? So, yeah, okay. We're loading up on the bus. We're gonna do a bus tour to Nice, and they're gonna take us around Nice, and then we're back to Cannes, right? Give or take. Very neat. After a short bus ride with a few stops to admire some of these spectacular views, we arrive in Nice to begin our walking tour. A short, easy walk takes us into town, along charming avenues lined with picturesque shops and ornate old-world architecture. The blue skies overhead provide the perfect backdrop for the pastel hues of the building. We walk, enjoying ourselves, until we stumble upon a beautiful local farmer's market. This farmer's market was... I don't think there's a better word for it. It was adorable. I loved it. It was so pleasant. And it was just this gorgeous day outside. I absolutely loved it. The colors of the food were extraordinary. Reds and greens and blues and oranges and purples. Absolutely stunning. And they were covered with these red and white tents over the food. And it was just this kaleidoscope of color. It was gorgeous. And of course, we couldn't leave without buying something. This market is the stuff of dreams. Also, Gigi just tried this. Did you like it? You want to get another piece? The soca, which is a chickpea crepe,
It's like
right?
olive oil, yeah, something like that.
Did you like it, Gigi?
She berries all over her fingers.
From this morning. Did you like it? She's still eating them first bite.
Yeah.
But this market is it's just beautiful. There's just this produce is
I want to
amazing.
get some berries. I was looking over there and I'm like, because it's so good.
It is so beautiful. They have art and they have flowers and food.
And like eggs and meat. And I'm like, oh, I wish we had somewhere like truly like this at home that we could get our eggs each week. And
I
we
know.
eat a lot of eggs. Anyway.
Someday. We'll just come here and live here for like the summer. We'll just summer in Nice.
Yes, yes.
Oh, we summer
Let
in
me
Nice
twist
and we...
my mustache. What? That's nothing to do with anything, but it is lovely. And the weather has turned out nice too. It was
Yeah.
supposed to rain. It
Or,
was chilly this morning,
yeah.
but it feels pretty good too.
And our
for
tour
now.
guide said it was supposed to rain all day, and she said it. We just completely looked out. It is just blue skies for days. Just beautiful. The French call this area La Côte d'Azur because of the beautiful azure hue of the water. For over a century, people have flocked here to soak up the sun and walk along this wide pedestrian promenade. It is a place to see and be seen. It is seaside tranquility in the French Riviera.
All right, so we are now by the sea. Look how pretty this is.
We got gelato. I got strawberry and she got Oreo, and Gigi's tried both of ours. And I think she, is it good? Brain freeze?
This is gonna be a messy day. Anyway, yeah.
But it's really delicious. We just picked it up at a food stall as we were on our way back. It is unbelievable. I know, I'll give you more, Gigi, hold on. Although some of us were a bit tuckered out, it was time to head back to Cannes and enjoy some lunch. All right, we're done with our tour of Nice. We're back in Cannes now. Yeah.
Partying with a nut.
Yeah, we're having a little lunch here. We just picked a little random restaurant on the street, and we're gonna have a little lunch, and then I guess maybe do some shopping, and then head back to the ship. Very exciting stuff. All right, we got our food. Dad got a tuna burger. And he's supposed to get mixed vegetables, but he got some pommes frites instead, which are gonna be delicious, I'm sure.
Can't wait to try his.
You got ravioli with truffle?
Sauce
Truffle.
and asparagus, yeah.
And you got the same thing? Or you got, no, ravioli with mushrooms. And then I got some gnocchi with cheese and truffles and asparagus. So that was actually the last shot I had of us in Cannes. I swear I had more footage there as we were leaving. We talked about the food and all that kind of stuff, but I have no idea where that footage is. I mean, I guess a lot can happen in 4 years. Anywho, here are some lovely views of the coastline for your viewing pleasure. Enjoy.
All right, we have drinks. We'll travel. We're headed to Maltings, a whiskey bar.
Yeah, it is the bar right outside of the restaurant we're eating dinner in tonight.
What's a good drink that has whiskey in it? Do Long Island iced teas have whiskey?
No.
Oh. Well.
Get like an old fashioned. You can just drink whiskey.
Listen, I can handle it in the right situations with the right mindset.
I like rye.
This is not the right. He does. Any hoozle. So we're meeting his parents, then we're gonna go to dinner, and we'll see what else. But we got to relax for a while, which was nice.
One more?
She's so romantic.
Okay, bye-bye.
We'll take over, don't worry. Thank you. All right.
All right, Gigi.
We just finished our dinner at Moderno, which is the Brazilian steakhouse on board. And it was all good. And we were trying to feed Gigi the ice cream. She wouldn't eat it. And this gentleman came over and offered it to her. She took pacifier out of the mouth and was like, yep.
Only from him, though.
Only wanted it from him.
Then when he walked away, he handed her the spoon.
Yeah, she was like, hey, no, more. Oh, goodness. What did I think of this place tonight?
Very unique.
Yeah?
Very different.
Awesome. Very descriptive. Thank you very much. It was good. It was good. When it comes to sunny Mediterranean ports, it would be hard to ignore the beckoning call of Palma de Mallorca. With an average of 300 days of sunshine each year, it is a balmy escape that also offers a plethora of history and culture. Wander through the vibrant streets and take in the smells, the sun, and snippets of conversation as you pass by open-air restaurants. The Palma Cathedral, with its flying buttresses and imposing stone facade, stands as a gothic sentinel on the skyline of the city. Palma is often called the Pearl of the Mediterranean, and when you're here, you begin to understand why. Okay, So picture it. Picture it. We're pulling in to Palma de Mallorca. And the water is so blue. It is just gorgeous. And we pull in, and there is a full rainbow all the way across the city. And it is the most gorgeous spectacle I think I have ever seen in my life. These beautiful colors, the beautiful blue in the water, and then this full rainbow over the city. I mean, you cannot manufacture that. It was stunning. This girl got chocolate pancakes for breakfast.
Your little showboat.
And she's happy as can be.
She sure is.
Yum. How's everybody's breakfast?
Good.
We're at Taste this morning, which is one of the sit-down restaurants, which we were all talking about how the breakfast in the sit-down restaurants is definitely better than the buffet breakfast. And Gigi agrees. She said, yeah, I get chocolate pancakes.
All right, we're gonna have a real impromptu, what is it, balcony party?
We have a scarf.
All right, throw it over the table. Gigi says, whoa.
If Gigi will let go.
Right.
So pretty. Look
Got
at
the
this.
tablecloth and everything. Impromptu balcony party.
So funny.
Thanks, Rick Steve, for the idea.
Yeah.
This is fun.
This is so fun.
Now we're having fun.
You should know the backstory is, if you've ever seen the Rick Steves like cruising
Mediterranean cruise video.
at one point he clearly met new people, which was clearly set up, and they have a balcony party, and they put like a scarf from the woman on a table on the balcony. He's like, and then you can have an impromptu balcony party, and they're all like, cheers.
Yeah.
And it's clearly just so scripted.
It's awfully
so
cute,
great.
but yeah,
Yeah, it was,
you can just have an impromptu balcony party.
and here we are.
Say hello.
Bye bye.
Say hello to all those people down there.
Say hello.
Oh, they're leaving.
She
She said,
knows. She said,
why would I say hello? They're leaving. I didn't say bye.
It's bye bye.
Hello.
She's smarter than we are.
You say hello, I say bye. My mom decided to stay on the ship because she was pretty tired today, but we all decided to hop off, and there's a cathedral here in Palma, which is right there, so we're going to go and...
still ending at the church.
I know, it's still there. This rainbow is unreal. So we're going to go explore the cathedral. It's like the #1 attraction here on the island.
That like Glacier de Santa Maria.
Sounds good to me.
It sounds right. She wants to walk, but we're not far from the cathedral, so I think we need to like kind of walk around there maybe. She's happy. Hi, Gigi. Bubbles.
Here's a bubble. Here's a bubble. Here's a bubble.
Oh boy, Gigi. I see. Yeah, let's go towards the bubble machine over there. Go get him, Gigi. These are fun for adults too. You can't even deny it. Gigi.
Although construction technically ended on the Cathedral of Mallorca in 1630, it has basically been in a state of rebuilding and reconstruction ever since the first foundations were laid in the 13th century. That's why you'll see elements of Gothic, Baroque, and even modern architecture. An earthquake in 1851 nearly spelled the demise of this cathedral until structural repair began to take place. Then, beginning in 1904, none other than Antoni Gaudí of La Sagrada Familia fame intervened and became the architect, restoring and updating the interior of the cathedral. Something we were not able to see because we found our way up to the cathedral and it's closed. So we're just gonna go see what we can see elsewhere, maybe get something to eat or something. They have gelato, they have other stuff here, so we're just gonna go and
Just see
what else we can
Palma
find.
has to bring.
We're having a little bit of lunch. We're getting a drink, and we all needed to use the restroom, and we're getting a little snack. I'm getting a full lunch. These guys are just. Are you getting? Did you get any food?
Nope.
No, just a drink.
alcohol.
All right, I'm getting a full lunch. I'm
Nice. Nothing
hungry.
wrong with that. Pretty cool tree, huh? Interesante.
We just had a little snacky here at a cute little cafe here, and now I think we're gonna start meandering our way back to the ship. We just kind of took our time. What'd you say the name of this plaza here was?
Oh, I don't know.
This part of the Hotel Mama.
Hotel Mama, yeah.
Mama?
Didn't we? I thought we learned the name of the plaza, though. Did we not?
We might have. I already forgot it, but it's very pretty.
It is very pretty. They got this really neat tree over here.
Is this Plaza del Cote?
Here we go.
Ah, aha. Plaza de Cote. We have a bus that we'll catch. I'm assuming it comes every, 15 minutes or something? It'll be good. And just like that, after only a few hours, it's already time to head back to our ship. But never worry, Palma de Mallorca. Parting is such sweet sorrow, and we will certainly meet again someday.
We made it to France.
We just got our Paris passes, and we're on our way right now to the Opera House. My mom and Gigi are gonna hang out here, looking out at the Arc de Triomphe, and then my dad and Jessica and I are gonna go up in it. My dad and I are going to the Louvre today.
We're ready to go to the Eiffel Tower.
We're all gonna go up to the top and see what we see.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna board the boat for the Seine River cruise.